Adding levels. First we need to go to our level, and we got to come down and find then a particular level that we want to go into, but we have to do it in a section view or an elevation view. So I'm coming down here to the elevations in the project browser. I'll just click on east and you'll see that I have two levels here. So basically I'm going to slide over here and I'm going to go up and I'm going to go into my architectural tab. I'm going to go into my datum panel and go to level. And when I go to level, it'll put me into the draw panel, drawing it with a line. And I can come over here and choose which type that I want, no head or quarter-inch head. I'm going to go with a quarter-inch head. Then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to start my line on the right side. Notice how I get an extension that will line up above the two lines below it. I'm going to go to 10 foot and I'll pick. I'll drag it across and I'll just leave it here for now. And I'll pick and I'll slide my screen over a little bit. You'll notice that when it creates it, it has two boxes. There's a box right here and there's a box right here. Those control the bubble. So when I click on that box here and turn the box off there, right, it will then turn the bubbles on and off. Also, you notice they're locked. So this level's locked. I can also grab a hold of this and drag this over here and line it up with the other end. All right. So right now I got a level 3 and I can come in here and I click and I can actually drag that over more if I like, and I can even line this up if I wish. Now I come in here, I can click on the name of the particular one. I can say third floor, for example. It'll ask me if I want to rename the corresponding views. So over here it named it third floor in the ceiling plan, third floor in the floor plan. So one thing we want to take a look at here is it creates those plans for me automatically when I placed in my level. So if I go up to level, for example, notice I had the check mark. It says make plan views. When I click on the plan views, it creates a floor plan, a ceiling plan, and a structural plan automatically when I put the level in. I could also throw an offset in if I want to offset a certain distance to my next level. So now we've controlled where we want these to be. We named them. We got the heights that we want. We controlled the bubbles on each end. We controlled how long our particular alignment line is, and we controlled the height of what we wanted. But notice, you know, maybe for some reason we're going to change, and the third floor is now going to be, you know, a taller one. So we can come here and say, well, it's really 22 feet. We can do it there, right? And I'll hit escape. Or we can come in here. It might be easier and just say, you know, we want 12 feet in between this last building, and we hit enter. Automatically updates it. Automatically updates it over here. So these things are very dynamic.